Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from LUSH. This is Toby's Magic Cow. It's super cute, shaped just like a cow, and you can see all the bright rainbow colors coming out of him. Now, this bath bomb does have some popping candy in it, which they do put that in quite a decent amount of their bath bombs. I remember the first time using a bath bomb that had that, I didn't read the description, and when I started hearing all the popping, I was like, what on earth is that? So now I always make sure to read the descriptions before I use the bath bombs, because sometimes there's a little hidden surprise in them. This one was super cute, smelled wonderful. It had fragrance notes of patchouli and Brazilian orange oils. Definitely smelled like patchouli, which is a scent that I really like. And he just floated gracefully through the tub. And I don't think I've ever let you guys hear the popping noise during a demo because typically kids are screaming in the background and so on, but I did save a little snippet of it, so I will be quiet so you can hear what it sounds like. So definitely very fun. And I was trying to pick up the pieces on the tub. You could kind of feel them, but they were pretty small, so I wasn't able to pick them up and really show them to you. But the bath water was incredibly soft. It has coconut milk powder in it and the different oils, so it's very moisturizing. And then by the time he completely dissolved, it left the bath water a light purple color. And I do have a lot of other LUSH bath bombs that are still in my stash that I have not posted yet, but I will have those up soon. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.